Hey Terraformers, it's Andrew Brown, and in this video we're going to be talking about getting access to the Discord. I want to point out that only those in the support tier or the graded tier, which are the paid tiers, are going to get access to the Discord. If you're in the free tier, you still have access to things, but just not the Discord. To get access to it, once you're in those paid tiers, this box will appear here, and you can generate out your link that will get you access to the Discord. Before you do that, listen carefully because there's a few things I want you to know. This is a one-time only link. If you generate and you muck it up, we might not generate you out another link. So before you do that, watch this video carefully because there are things that can jank the link. One type of abuse we are seeing is folks are trying to say their link doesn't work, generate it out, give it to their friend to get them free access to the Discord. We know, like if you invite someone with a link and they come in and they're not you, we know that it's not you, and that could get you booted. So make sure that you only use it for yourself. If you want to bring a friend and they can't afford it, and you can purchase a voucher for them over here, and that can help out a friend if they're trying to get into the Discord. Okay, but before you generate out that link, it's a one-time only link. And it's tied specifically for you. So there are cases where it can get janked, but I'm going to tell you how to make sure you can use it so you don't have issues. Because if you open this, it's going to open in your browser. And what's happened is a lot of people have created 2 Discord accounts by accident. So anyway, Discord is a communication app. It is similar to Slack, primarily for gamers, but we find the experience works really well for our boot camps. That's why we use it. And so it is where the majority of communication is going to happen in real time. It's a really, really good network to be in. So you need to install the application. So there are a few ways to run it. You can run it in the browser. I don't recommend to do it that way. There's so many problems with doing it that way. You can download the app. That's what I recommend you to do on the desktop. You can download it for your phone. I'm going to just tell you right now, you should download the desktop one because when you are taking screenshots and working through stuff, it is very hard to do that on the phone. You can use the phone to keep in touch and stay up to date, but if you're asking questions, you're really going to want to have that app. And so go ahead and download it. You can get it for Windows, Mac, probably for Linux as well. But when you install it, then it will prompt you to create an account, create that account. You will need to have a phone. Even if you're using the desktop one, you need to have a phone. Verify who you are, like whatever, if it needs 2-factor authentication or text message verification, do that because our Discord server is locked to the high security settings. In our last cohort for our bootcamp, we tried to do everything to not have abuse in our Discord. Unfortunately, Discord just it's very hard to protect them from abuse from like bad bots that will spam bad content and all sorts of other things. We tried installing a bot, and that bot ended up kicking out legitimate students. So our solution was just to turn the security up really high, and that means you need to have a phone with a valid phone number in order to access the Discord. This is what it looks like when you have the desktop application installed. You'll know that you are in the Terraform one because it has the Terraform Beginner Bootcamp logo over here, and we have a bunch of channels. We'll talk about it in the next video about asking for help, but about the forums. But yeah, this is what you're trying to get access to. So coming back over to here, you've installed Discord. You know what your username is, right? So your username here, mine is Omen King. That's my username for Discord. You're going to go over to settings. I know this is not the most, the best UI, but it's just how we did it. If you go over to settings here and you scroll on down, fill in your Discord name here. It's very important that you do so. Go ahead and save that. So mine is Omen King. I'd fill in Omen King and I would save that there. And then once you're ready, you can go ahead and display this code. Now you want to make sure before you click this link that you have this app open. If you do not have this app open, it's going to launch in a new tab and it might prompt you to sign up again, which you shouldn't do because if you've already created your account, you don't want to sign up twice. But if you have this open here and you click it, it will open it up and give you access to this Discord, and then you'll be in here. If you need to, if you really do mess up your link, you can contact support. It's support@exampro.co. But again, please don't abuse those links. We know people try to do that to get their friend in. If you want your friend to get in, you can buy them a voucher on the support tier. But just understand that every single link that you generate out is linked to you So if you let someone in that's not supposed to be in there, you're going to know and you can get kicked out. So make sure you're just careful with that. But we want to see you in the Discord. But yeah, hopefully that was clear. I know that seemed really complicated, but that's just the nature of it. And we'll see you in class soon. Ciao.